RealRespondents is one of our key components of our online quality system, and it's the first component. It's before a prospective panelist can become part of our panel. It goes through a series of verification checks, automated checks, and they include IP address check, which ensures that the respondent that's signing up for the panel is actually is originating from the country that where we're trying to build the panel.
RealRespondents is an effort where we use a range of technologies to help us in an automated fashion ensure that we're delivering the highest quality respondents. So there's techniques out there that allow us to ensure that we have no duplicate panel members in our panel, that the panelists are from where they say they are, that we match address, in some cases name and address, we match the IP address to the locale that they say they live in. We can match machine IDs or digital fingerprinting to ensure that the same PC is not generating more than one respondent in a survey.
RealResults is the other component of our online data quality process, and it occurs actually during a survey, and it measures respondent engagement, whether they're actually paying attention to the questions. One of the things that we look at is how quickly a respondent goes through a questionnaire. So if a questionnaire typically lasts 15 minutes and the respondent finishes in 2 minutes, that would be a sign that they're not paying attention. These are all automated checks that can be done across any type of survey questionnaire. So speeders is one. We also look at the way respondents answer grid questions, and if they speed through the grid, but also if the type of pattern, the way they pattern answer the grid also lets us know whether a respondent is actually paying attention. And then there's also some trap questions that we're still evaluating this technique, but we do include on occasion trap questions where we ask respondents to answer a certain way to make sure that they're actually reading the questions in the survey.
RealResults is a Lightspeed approach to ensure that we're getting the highest quality data collection from our survey instruments. So there's a great thing about working within Kantar is we have centralized survey programming for both Confirmit and for Dimensions. And in fact, we're the largest Confirmit installation on site in the industry. So these large groups of survey programmers, we're able to implement in those groups a fairly standardized way of writing the surveys. And part of that standardization is evolved around a template. So in that template, we employ a wide range of quality standards that allow us to ensure that the panelists are taking due diligence in the course of a survey, so they're not speeding, that they're not pattern responding, so they're not just checking things in a quick way, that they're engaged in the survey. We can ask questions various ways and making sure that they're answering the right way. And from that, we can build that in a database of results and compare that to across norms, so that we ensure that we get the very best of quality from our data collection methods.